And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Ford Duratec engines, this aluminium oil pan and oil sump. And for that job I need 10mm socket and then longer bar, and I can open these bolts. And let's continue. Okay, and I start this my job in here. There is long bolt, and in that way there is really long bolt in here, and then next one is this one, and this one is shorter in here, and then this one, and there is bolt, and I collect this bolt what drop to ground because we can reuse these bolts. And then I continue my job in here, or actually there is first, there is this bolt, that one, and here was this one. And then we look in another side's bolt, and then we look at another side, and there is my first bolt in here, this one, that one, in here, and next one is there, and there is one. And then final bolt, it is in here, this one, this long. Okay, and now when all bolts are free, we can next start to take out this oil sump joint. And normally this cover is quite stuck, and that's I need now some knife, old knife. Okay, and firstly I need hammer, and then dull old knife, because now I have to install this knife in the side areas in here, and let's go to look at how I carefully install this my knife in these sides areas, and let's go to look that area closer. Okay, and now we have dull knife, and this is this joint where is glue, and in that area I install knife and then hammer. Now hammer carefully. Now my knife drops, but I take another. Okay, and now this cover opens nicely. Very good, and I can move this my knife in this way, and then carefully then I lift. Now this cover is, oil sump is free. Okay, and now when oil sump is free, I can take that oil sump in here and I can rotate that in this way, and now we can see this inner area, and this is really aluminium oil sump, very well made, and there is glue what keeps these parts together.